Have you ever noticed how things seem to get more expensive every year? That's inflation, folks, and it's a real kick in the teeth. It's like a sneaky thief, silently robbing your hard-earned savings of their value. Remember Gresham's law? It says bad money drives out good. Think about it like this. If you have a shiny new coin and a beat-up old one, which one are you going to spend first? Exactly, the crappy one. Let me tell you a story. Back in 1964, I got a shiny new Kennedy $50. Back then, that thing could buy you a whole lot of candy. Today, good luck getting a pack of gum with that. Why? Because the government keeps printing more money, making each dollar worth less. It's like they're playing a game of hot potato with our economy, and guess who gets burned? That's right, the average Joe. The rich? They're sitting pretty, holding on to assets like real estate and gold that actually increase in value. This, my friends, is how the wealth gap widens. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom, there's still hope. Remember that silver coin I mentioned? Well, silver's been having a bit of a moment lately. In November 2024, it hit $35 an ounce. That's a sign, people. A sign that people are catching on to the whole bad money thing and looking for a safe haven. And then there's Bitcoin. This digital gold rush is shaking things up, offering a decentralized alternative to the government's monopoly on money. Now, I'm not saying to dump your life savings into Bitcoin, but it's worth considering. I mean, I've got a few gold and silver mines myself, but I'm not afraid to diversify. The point is, there are options out there. You don't have to just sit there and watch your wealth evaporate. Now you might be thinking, John, what about stocks and bonds? Aren't those safe investments? Let me tell you something. The stock market is like a casino, rigged in favor of the house. And bonds, they're just fancy IOUs from governments drowning in debt. Don't be fooled by the fancy suits and jargon. These traditional investments are built on a foundation of sand. When the tide turns, and it always does, they're the first to crumble. Remember 2008? Yeah, not a good time for those holding on to their retirement accounts. You want real security? You need to think differently. You need to think assets, not investments. Look, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money, but I am here to tell you to educate yourself. Don't just blindly trust the system. Do your own research. Learn about inflation, about gold and silver, about Bitcoin, about real estate. Find out what makes sense for you and your family. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about protecting what's yours. It's about taking control of your financial future. Because at the end of the day, the only person looking out for you is you. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning. Your future self will thank you for it.